A very good morning, class. I hope you all have gone through the previous video of alligation, and today I'll introduce the topic of mixture with you. How this thing mixture works. Suppose I'll say there are two buckets, bucket A and bucket B, having some milk and water, in certain ratio. I need to mix these two buckets in the bucket number third, and I want to know the milk and water ratio in the third bucket. Suppose this is the problem. Suppose I say the ratio here is 2:3 and here is 4:1, right? And I want to add these two mixture into the third mixture. So what will be the ratio over there? So what I need to do, one thing you must remember here, that the total mixture must be same. Right? Many people are using different method to solve this problem. Some are solving by 2/5 parts, 3/5 parts, 4/5 parts, 1/5 parts, and add parts to parts. There is no need like this. I'll write here A and B. Here milk ratio water is 2:3. Here milk ratio water is 4:1. But I need to check either the mixture is same or not. Yes, total mixture is same. Just add water with water and milk with. So this will become 6:4. So I'll say in the final mixture the ratio of milk and water will be what? 3:2. Right? This is how mixture works. Suppose if the value is not same, suppose it is not same, suppose they are saying in the bucket A milk and water is, suppose you are having 4:1 and here milk and water is what? 7:3, and I want to add these two mixtures. So what will be the final mixture into the third bucket? This is I want to know. So I'll write here this is A, this is B. So in the A, milk and water ratio is what? 4:1. In B, milk and water ratio is what? 7:3. It is 5, it is 10. So first question is the mixture same? So obviously I'll say no, the mixture is not same. What I need to do, I need to make the mixture same. What I'll do here, I'll multiply here by 2. If I multiply here by 2, this will become 8:2. And here multiply by 1, this will become 7:3. This is 15:5. So I'll say 3:1 is the final mixture quantity in your final bucket. This is milk ratio water. I hope you all are clear up to this. This was the basic introduction of mixtures. Now I'll share some more problems with you. Suppose I am having a question that a mixture, there is a 16-liter mixture, right, having sugar and water, having some sugar and having some water. They are saying it contains 25% sugar. It contains 25% sugar. Again I am repeating, there is a 16-liter total mixture having sugar and water. It contains 25% sugar. They are saying how much water should be added, how much water should be added in the mixture, so water becomes 80%. So this is the problem here, right? Now if it is 25% sugar, so obviously water will be 75%. So I'll say the ratio will become 1:3, right? As the total mixture is 16-liter, I'll say this is 4 parts. 4 parts value is 16-liter. If I want to make 4 as 16, I need to multiply here by 4. So here sugar is 4 liter and here water is 12 liter. Now they are saying how much water should be added so that it becomes 80%. Now one thing remember, they are adding what? They are adding water. So sugar has to be same. If it is 80%, water, so obviously sugar kitna hoga? Sugar will be what? 20%. I haven't added the sugar, so 20% value is what? 4. If 20% value is 4, so 80% value will be, if I want to make it 80, what I need to do, I need to multiply here by 4. So 80% value will be what? 16. It means previously water is what, 12 liter, now it is 16 liter. What is the value I am adding here? 4 liter. So 4 liter leads to my answer. I hope you all are clear with this. I'll take one more example with you. Suppose there is one more problem here, that there is 150 gram of mixture. 150 gram of mixture contains acid and water. Here acid and water is there. They are saying it contains 20% acid. It contains 20% acid. If it is 20% acid, so water level will be 80%. So this will be what, 1:4. I hope you all agree with this. They are saying find how much acid. Find how much acid should be added. How much acid should be added so that it becomes 25%. So that acid becomes 25%. Now I am adding acid. So this is 1:4. If I say 5 parts value is what, 150 gram. If I want to make 5 as 150, what I need to do? Multiply here by 30. So this is 30 gram is of acid and 120 gram is of water. Now they are saying how much acid must be added so that acid becomes 25%. So I'm just adding acid. Water must be same. So if it is 25%, obviously rest value will be 75%. So 75% value is what, 120. Yes. What I need to find? I need to find the value of 25%. So 1% value will be what? Or what I can do also, I can divide both sides by 3. This is by 3. This is by 3. So this is 25%. This is what, 40 gram. So previously it is 30. Now it is 40 gram. What is the adding value here? 10 gram. It means I need to add 10 gram of acid to make the acid at 25%. I hope you all are clear up to this.